Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fessner. Guys, on today's episode I want to show you what happened in less than 2 years. Sorry for the lightning, the sun is on me. After replacing a backlight in a Sony 65-inch TV, okay? So let us switch to the pictures. And as you can see, I've opened the telly and the glue didn't hold. Usually it holds well, yes, but this one didn't hold. So customer came back after less than 2 weeks. Sorry, after less than 2 years. And I was able to verify that that's a fault of a backlight, which is in July it would be 2 years. So we've got like one to 2 months short, and that would be 2 years. But unfortunately, you know, this TV didn't last even 2 years. Whereas I would say that 3 to 4 years minimum, maximum 4 or 5 years. This is a usually Chinese backlight, or I'm buying it in Aswo, or from one British supplier here, which I haven't bought for like a longer time now. But you know, usually are those sources. If I'm buying from China, I usually buy from one Chinese supplier. I don't buy it from AliExpress or from AliExpress, yes. So you can see I've applied glue, B7000 glue, on all of them, just to make sure that, you know, I won't have the same situation back again. Sorry guys, yes, so I had a customer here. Anyways, so you see the backlight is popping out. So I've used the glue, B7000, as I said, and it's all glued on the original strips which it came, like double-sided tape, and then it's as well done on the glue, B7000. So here's the B7000 glue. Sorry, I'm a liar, T7000. So I bought this glue like way back. Again, sorry for the sun shade, I can't show it to you. I would have to record after 12 when the sun is down. Yeah, customer brought in equipment here. So from now on I won't trust just the double-sided tape. Yes, I will put the glue on just in case. My technician in Wishaw, he already started doing it as well. He done the TV, Hisense TV, not Sony, and he used that glue as well. It's just that I don't want customer to come within 2 years, because that's looking bad for the business, and that's why I'd rather prolong it to 3-4 years, because then it's looking more of a quality job than it's just, you know, less than 2 years and looking like, oh, the guy probably done it to make more money. So I'm making a discount for this customer. They won't pay a regular 65-inch price, plus I've spent more time because I had to use this glue. But that's a lesson for me, you know, that we learn all the time, and you can't literally avoid learning, yes. That's all I wanted to say, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you've got a value in the video. Bye for now.